Now they are seeking a review of the temporary duty time exemption that has been granted to Air India. The relaxation that was given after the closure of Iran and Iraq airspace, which has now forced the flights to take longer routes. The pilot body has now said that extending duty hours for two pilot operations may increase fatigue risk, especially when duty periods overlap with the window of the circadian glow when human alertness is at its lowest. And the Federation has also flagged that the current variation does not clearly limit the number of sectors or landings with an extended duty period, where the pilot's body has urged the DDCA to review the exemption in the interest of flight safety. Well, as far as when it comes to this effect or the impact that has now been looked upon at the pilots as well, especially when it comes to long duration flights, that seems to have changed their routes because of the inability to use the airspace over the Middle East. And these longer routes, all these alternate routes, seems to be impacting when it comes to the pilots' health as well. And this has now been raised by the pilots' body in India, writing to the DGCA, where they are now asking the DGCA to review the recently granted FDDL of the variations that actually permit extended duty limits for two pilot operations. And especially when it comes to the estimate window, which they say that is collected from scientific data on the low performance, on alertness, on especially fatigue of the body and the body temperature, they believe, the pilot's body believe that it in a way leads to hampering of the flight safety of the people on board, the passengers. Their safety seems to be at risk. So we have Shefali with us right now. Shefali, good morning. Well, this is a valid point that has now been raised on part of the pilot's body, because the longer the flight, the longer the fatigue on their body.
Right. Earlier also we have reported how Air India has sought this temporary permission from the aviation regulator, and aviation regulator was examining the matter. And
apologies, Shefali, I just have to interrupt you. We're getting live proceedings coming in from the Rajya Sabha. Let's cut to that.